Here I have iPhone 17 Pro and let me show you on this phone how to use the new feature Hold Assist. Let me show you how to make it enabled and how this feature really works. Let's begin. Alright, so let's start by making this feature enabled. So let's open the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down to apps. From apps let's choose phone. So it's under P, right here, phone. Scroll down again and here you should find Hold Assist Detection. Let's enable this feature right here. So now you've got your feature enabled, but how it works? So basically, you just make a call and get placed on hold. Your phone will automatically detect the hold music. You should see then the information that you would like to confirm enabling the hold assist, and then you can use your phone. Your phone will keep the call active in the background, allowing you to use other apps. When your agent will be ready, you will receive notification and you will rejoin the call. So basically it's really useful. You will save a lot of time when you are on hold, and I highly recommend to have this feature enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.